Today we will talk about Da Vinci, Willow, and the Sons of Samoa. The Sons of Samoa, SOS, is a Crips-affiliated street gang based in Long Beach, California. It was founded in 1985 by Samoan and other Pacific Islander immigrants and their descendants. The gang initially formed to protect the Samoan community from more established African American and Hispanic gangs in the area, Long Beach, California, and grew to approximately 200 members by the mid-1980s. Like other Polynesian gangs, the Sons of Samoa expanded to other areas with large Samoan populations. FBI reports have cited the gang's presence in states including Alaska, Missouri, Utah, and Washington. Involved in a gang war with a rival gang from Garden Grove, and was the focus of a police crackdown after members attacked two officers. The Sons of Samoa were reportedly heavily involved in the sale of cocaine and PCP, as well as robbery, burglary, and extortion. By the 1990s, a subset of the gang called Suicidals was involved in drug dealing in alleyways. The gang's criminal activities have also included drug and weapon trafficking, extortion, and murder. The SOS members would be posted on their block when some members from a rival hood would start open firing into the crowd.
In the alley.
I see him.
Shoot at me. Aiming right down front lines. I'm watching the right side.
No, it is.
What's up, two? Stop shooting.
What? Didn't you got switches? No way, I know that. There's no way.
Some people would spin SOS as a SOS member would try to shoot back. He would sadly lose his life. The SOS members would be in traffic before spotting rivals and opening fire. One member would spot another member from a rival set and kill him on sight. SOS would be chasing a red Benz that was 4 deep full of rivals as they hopped out and killed them all.
Yeah, look at that. They are. They're right there. That's them right there.
Look at these niggas.
No, that's
y'all get y'all slash me's. I'm not doing it.
That's them. You don't need slash me's.
Get your... Oh, we don't? Gang, I'll drop. We could bounce out right now on Friday,
Nah, that car's bulletproof.
No, it's not. Oh my god.
What the fuck? He's got it. That nigga. I don't know if you got it or not.
Let's get crazy.
Get crazy.
What's the deal?
Let's get crazy. Fuck you talking about? Click.
Crazy.
What do you say?
Rivals would then come to SOS, shooting, but would not make it out and die.
That shit don't jam.
Is the hard point the best gun?
Yeah, that's foul. That shit don't jam, boy. That bitch a tap.
Nah, it didn't jam when I shot it. I ain't gonna lie, it did not jam.
There's...
They killed the fucking second. Caught one? Caught one? I'm low as shit, gang.
Oh my gosh, the homies getting active. That's what I like to see.
What's the jump?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Mask.
They got
Yeah. Oh,
Shoot the mask.
fuck it down. Fuck it down.
Shoot the mask.
Is that the
Send me
homie?
up. Yo, so I can put it in the Discord.
Down.
I mean, not in the Discord.
Why we
but
not
the
open
freaking-
carrying? Yep, that'd be open carry, I guess. Record. Clip. Everybody clip, I guess.
I wasn't there.
Come on, bro. We gone.
Bro, he on low as shit.
Before any more happened, the SO's boys would be in a shootout with an unknown gang in L.A.
Gang. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. This is what I'm saying, gang. This shit is bad, bro. This nigga Cam. I always like, bro. This nigga Cam, gang. I swear, this nigga.
Yeah, it's your fault.
How is that my fault? Gang.
Y'all all died? Y'all all died?
I swear to God,
I'm
these
still alive
niggas had a
behind the
P80 button, bro.
I'm still alive behind the house, and they ran
That's
like
a P80.
I know they had a P80 with switch.
They walked right in front of me when I'm hiding behind the house, and they didn't kill me. They didn't give me a pull. I would have been good with the high point. No, the homies died. Oh, he's still there. Oh.
One of the SO's members would be caught by New Leaf County Police Department as he keeps resisting arrest, and he would get the death penalty for murder. Murder for hire. Attempt on a Leo killing a cop, and more stuff involving gang activities. Growing up in the middle of this was Da Vinci. Da Vinci was a self-centered Samoan boy from the southeast. He grew up in the middle of a gang war zone. So, of course, he would quickly get attached to the gang life. Getting older, he would start to gang bang banging SOS. One day, he would go on live screaming, "Tell that fat bitch to come outside before I flip that bar 112K bitch." Leading up to him getting shot and losing his best friend, seeing this, the internet would give him more street credit for not going out like a bitch. But later, some members from a different set would come out saying he snitched. He would later clear this up, dropping a song called Emotions, where he would state, "They killed my niggas, I'ma spin until I'm gone, sorry for them." Victims' mamas, but them niggas took a soul. They gotta go. I catch a nigga on my side, he finna float, ain't never told. So why the fuck you niggas acting like some hoes? Hey, look. After that, he would go live again, stomping out a 112 member accidentally killing him, which would make him wanted for murder. This made the cops' job easy, as the Sons of Samoa would already have a RICO indictment cooking up. Seeing this, he would understand he had to leave the city of New Leaf, L.A., going to Los Santos.